Hello there, guys. I hope you are doing well. This is Adarsh, and I am here for the Dogecoin update. So, in the morning, I posted a video regarding Dogecoin Super Surge and why this happened. If you want to know why this happened, you can just watch the previous video because Dogecoin went from $10 up to $22 in the morning. That is insane, guys. And if you see what happened after that, that is even more insane. It's like 30 40 3 or 4 times the result, 300 400 times the returns. That's like awesome. So we'll directly go to this our trading view, and if we can see, this is the doge situation right now. I told you guys, if you haven't seen the previous video, you should watch it, then only you'll be able to understand this video. If you have already watched, that's very good of you, then you will be able to understand. At this point we made the video, previous video, and doge was somewhere here. So I predicted, I told that it will come down below 20, and that time, if you haven't bought till now, you can buy if you want. Only for educational purposes, I don't want to say anything else. But because this was a support here, so that's why I knew that it may come down if this breaks this support, this support here. So it will come down, but because the news was very good, Elon Musk tweeted to the moon, so it must have it should go up. Okay, so I predicted that below 20, if you buy, it will work fine for you. And from here, it came down below 20. It came up to somewhere around 18 rupees. Okay, 18.3. From there, this went up to 40 rupees. Like, is that insane? If this is insane, if these are the returns you are looking for, you can definitely subscribe the channel. 3 times 4 times the money in no time. This happens in the crypto world. So it went up to 39.9 or something like that. So approximately 40, it went up to 40, and that is a very big number. Like yesterday night it was at 10 rupees, and today it's at 40. So that's a very big number. But after this it fell. Okay, it had a resistance over here. If you see, this is the resistance it faced when it was, you know the price was rising. Here it consolidated, the price consolidated, and here I could feel that resistance because 2 times it has hit that price, 2 times. Okay, so this was the resistance it was facing at 24.68, but after that resistance was broken, it went insanely high. It went up to here, and after that, it came down because the RSI, if you see, was above like 80. Okay, so it was at 89. That is a big level. So we could have predicted that maybe RSI is also growing. So this may be the time to short, but from here it went down, and after a little consolidation it again tried to come up, but it couldn't do so. And after that it went down. I'm really sorry if you faced any issue, I'm really sorry, but it went down up to this 24.92 rupees. It's like really insane, coming from 39 to 24. So the only thing I'll recommend to all the investors there, Dogecoin is a meme currency. Whatever Elon Musk tweeted, it went up due to that only. There was no solid information. There was no solid, like, a very good news. The only news was Elon Musk tweeted. And if he would have tweeted for the Indian stock market or some other stock market, then this is called manipulation, guys. And he manipulated the price. It went up to like super high. So, and people kept buying, but it came down from this 40 level to 29 level. I am not saying it won't go above 40 and the 40 is the only limit. This is not like that, but this is a bubble. It may burst anytime. So if you have already bought at some 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and or today you have bought at somewhere around 20, then this is fine. You can hold for some time and you can get some good results. But two, three things I'll say. Whenever you see there is a resistance, try to sell. Like if you hold 1000 quantity, you can sell 200 300 quantity at this point, making sure that you get some of the profit. What most people do, they keep it there and the price comes down. So what is the whole sense of having the price at that like high top level if you are not able to sell at that price? So better you don't sell the whole quantity, because it may go up more. You don't need to sell everything, but like 20%, 10%, which can make a difference in your life, that much you can sell definitely. So this is about Dogecoin. What is my honest opinion? What I feel is that Dogecoin is not the coin to invest. It is a meme currency, only going up on newses. And this news, whatever we have right now, is not a very legitimate one. So for Indian investors right now, I'll recommend not to invest. If you have already invested, you can hold for some time, but not to invest trading for now. If this breaks this 30 level now and sustains it, then it will definitely go up higher. But as this is totally based on news and technicals don't work perfectly for this one, so I'll not recommend to buy right now. You can rather see everyone winning. No issues, you'll have a lot of opportunities. I mean, only Bitcoin, only a Doge is not going high. Many coins go high. You can see ETC. It has gone up 26.88%. That's high. And if you feel that, oh, I want my money double. Okay, I want to double up my money in one day. That opportunity I couldn't get. So this is now not how it works, guys. You can't have double your money in a single day. These are, some random things that happened, but these things are not for the long term. And everyone investing, or everyone even trading, should look for the long term. Long term is a very important option. Everyone trading should look for consistency, and that works in the long term. And everyone investing should look for good coins, should look for something which has value. And this meme coin doesn't have value. Any real value is not there. This is a bubble, may burst at any time. I won't recommend to invest right now. It may go up to 300 rupees, I'm not sure, because no one knows the peak of a bubble. But whenever that peak comes, there will be bloodbath for sure. Make sure you're not there. If you have already invested, you can keep on holding. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. All the best for all your investment. Everything I'm telling here is for educational purposes. What I feel I have told, this completely depends on you, what decision you take. If you feel this is the right decision for you, you can keep investing. And if you feel that I'm giving you the right information, you can subscribe this channel, like this video, share the video. I'll be coming to you with all these crazy updates, making sure that you make a lot of money. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. This is Adarsh signing off from the world of Indian crypto investor, the only channel in India which is helping all the Indian investors interested in crypto. Sorry, I'll have to learn it, I guess. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.